Have you ever wondered how some people manage to make a fortune investing in technology stocks? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets of tech stock investing in this exciting video. We'll dive deep into the world of tech stocks, exploring what they are, why they're so appealing, and how you can get started on your own tech investing journey. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the mysteries of this ever-evolving and lucrative sector. Understanding tech stocks. Let's kick things off with the basics. Tech stocks, or technology stocks, are shares of companies that operate in the technology industry. These companies are all about developing and providing cutting-edge technological products, services, or solutions. We're talking about companies in sectors like artificial intelligence, AI, software development, hardware manufacturing, telecommunications, e-commerce, and social media, the real movers and shakers of the tech world. The appeal of tech stocks. Now, why are tech stocks so darn appealing? Well, they're often considered high-growth investments because the technology sector is known for its rapid pace of innovation. Investors are drawn to these stocks like moths to a flame, thanks to their potential for capital appreciation and the opportunity to participate in technological advancements that are shaping various industries. But hold up, don't get too excited just yet. Like any investment, tech stocks come with their own set of risks, so we'll need to be cautious and do our due diligence before diving in headfirst. Getting started with tech stocks. All right, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of tech stock investing? Let's go over some essential steps to get you started on the right foot. First up, you'll need to learn the basics. And by basics, we mean getting familiar with concepts like stock exchanges, the marketplaces where stocks are bought and sold, shares, units of ownership in a company, dividends, a company's profits distributed to shareholders, and market capitalization, the total value of a company's shares. Next, it's time to do some serious research. In the tech sector, there are countless companies with compelling growth potential, but not all of them are equally attractive or reliable. You'll want to consider factors like financial performance, market position, products and services, and the company's management and leadership. Now, if you're feeling a bit hesitant about diving headfirst into the stock market, fear not. You can consider using CFDs or contracts for difference as an alternative. CFDs are derivative instruments that allow you to speculate on the price movements of stocks without actually buying or owning them. Pretty nifty, right? With CFDs, you enter into a contract with a broker to exchange the difference in the price of a stock between the time of opening and closing the contract. And the best part? CFDs offer access to a wider range of markets, leverage and margin, which means you can trade larger positions with a smaller stake, and the ability to short sell, profit from a stock's price decline. If the world of CFDs has piqued your interest, you'll want to check out Skilling, a regulated and award-winning CFD broker that offers a proprietary platform called Skilling Trader, as well as access to industry-standard platforms like Trader, MetaTrader 4, and even copy trading options for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. With Skilling, you can trade CFDs on over 1,200 instruments, ranging from stocks to forex, cryptocurrencies, and more. They offer competitive spreads starting from as low as 0.1 pips and commission rates with no hidden charges, ensuring you're getting a fair deal. But what really sets Skilling apart is their commitment to rapid and reliable execution. They've scaled their trading platforms to accommodate hundreds of thousands of transactions, so you can trade with confidence, knowing that your orders have the best chance of being executed accurately and efficiently. Now, we know this might all seem a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to the world of investing. But fear not. Skilling offers a wealth of educational resources and a dedicated support team to help guide you through every step of the process. Investing in tech stocks. Pros and cons. Now, let's take a moment to weigh the pros and cons of investing in tech stocks. After all, knowledge is power, and we want to make sure you're armed with all the information you need to make informed decisions. On the pro side, tech stocks offer high growth potential thanks to the innovative nature of the companies behind them. These companies are constantly pushing boundaries and disrupting industries, which can lead to significant growth and revenue generation. Additionally, investing in tech stocks can help diversify your portfolio, as the tech sector often performs differently from other sectors. And let's not forget the potential for high returns. Some tech stocks have delivered outstanding returns for investors who got in early and rode the wave of success. But, as with any investment, there are also some cons to consider. Tech stocks are often more volatile than stocks in other sectors, meaning they can experience significant price swings in both directions. The tech sector is also highly competitive, and new technologies or products can quickly make existing ones obsolete. Tech companies may also face regulatory challenges or scrutiny, which can impact their operations and profitability. And let's not forget about high valuations. Some tech stocks may be trading at sky-high valuations, making them more susceptible to market corrections or economic downturns. Tips for investing in tech stocks. Alright, now that we've covered the ins and outs of tech stocks, let's talk about some tips to help you navigate this exciting world like a pro. First and foremost, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different tech sectors and industries to mitigate risk. Next, stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and developments in the tech sector. Follow industry trends, company announcements, and analyst reports. Knowledge is power. Remember, tech stocks can be volatile in the short term, so consider investing for the long haul. Ride out those ups and downs like a champ by keeping your eye on the prize. Speaking of ups and downs, make sure you understand the risks involved with tech stock investing. These investments can be risky, so know your risk tolerance before diving in. Another pro tip: consider dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum, spread your investments out over time by investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. This can help smooth out the effects of market volatility. Last but not least, monitor your investments regularly. Review your tech stock holdings and make adjustments as needed based on changes in the market or the company's performance. Well, there you have it, folks, a crash course in tech stock investing. Investing in this dynamic sector can be an exciting and potentially lucrative endeavor, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and a well-thought-out strategy. By understanding the basics, doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed, you'll be well on your way to navigating the ever-evolving world of tech stocks like a true pro. Remember to like this video, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. Until next time, happy investing!